What makes thread whirling different? Ball screws are commonly manufactured using 3 different processes: rolling, thread whirling, and grinding. Each has its own strengths. Today, let's focus on thread whirling. Thread whirling uses a high-speed rotating cutter head that works together with the rotating workpiece to machine the thread directly. Unlike rolling, thread whirling doesn't rely on forming dies, making it much more flexible for large leads, long ball screws, and custom specifications. For high-precision products, thread whirling often serves as the preparation step before final thread grinding, leaving a consistent machining allowance. Thread whirling offers an excellent balance between efficiency and flexibility. It quickly forms the thread while preparing it for precision finishing. That's why thread whirling has become an essential process in manufacturing high-quality ball screws. Every precise thread starts with a reliable manufacturing process. YOSO Precision Ball Screws. Precision built into every process.